Hi guys, PK here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, quickly today, I'm seeing a lot of people being a bit blasé about their property investing. Look, I'm not getting anything out of it, but please put in the work, both hard work and smart work, to find the right suburb and find the right property. You know, don't think of it as, oh, let's just get any old thing and we'll start educating ourselves after the first investment, or let's at least get our foot into the door, onto the property ladder, and then we can start thinking about how we optimize after our second or third or fourth property. Look, I know so many people that have 3 properties and they're looking back and they're thinking, why did I buy those properties? You know, those properties aren't giving me the income that I want. They haven't gone up at all, or they've only gone up like $50,000 in the last 3 or 4 years, which, by the way, is not that great of a performance. Right? There's so many people that I talk to in that position and they're thinking, you know, is this all that property investment can give me? Okay, so guys, please put in the hard work and the smart work to get the right property from property number 1, okay? Because like I say in the title of this video, a 1% difference in an increase in capital growth, right? So let's imagine your property grows at 3% versus 4%. Putting in the right work to get that 4% growth property literally means hundreds of thousands of dollars of additional capital gain over the course of, you know, you holding that property for 10, 20 plus years by the time you retire. And the thing is that not only is it going to give you much more capital gain or capital growth if you put in the right work and have the right system to buy the property, right? Not only is it about the capital growth, but that growth transforms into income. Okay, so where you could have had a $50,000 income from a single property, you may only get a $30,000 income, right? I know those numbers are, there's big differences between them, and the differences can be explained by the rule of compounding. Okay, so obviously any growth that you get in the short term is further exacerbated by growth in the long term, and vice versa as well. So look, don't be one of those investors that thinks, you know, I've only got $50,000. You know, let me just get into the game. Let me just get into the property market, and then, you know, things will take care of themselves afterwards. No. Start from the start, doing the right thing. Start from the very start, becoming advanced, because how your first property performs dictates how soon and what property you can get for the second one. And the second one dictates the third one, and the third dictates the fourth one, and then development potential, etc. Okay, so yeah, just a bit of I'm trying to be a bit alarmist here. Don't just get any old property. Don't just, you know, shoot by the hip and get any old property for your first one. Work smart, work hard, get the right property. It'll reap rewards. Okay, it'll change your life. All right, see you guys.